Right, okay, this is drag my White Falcon to the floor there. Okay, this is my PRS with push, pull, or push phase, 4-way switch. That is neck, which is a P90, cheap P90 jobby. Both in parallel, bridge, both in series. Out of phase works obviously on the both settings. The amplifier I'm using is a Vox Mini Beetle head. The speaker's disconnected. I'm using a cabinet of my own design, which is a 10 and a 12-inch Celestion and Vox speaker. And the Leslie 110 cabinet, which I've just fixed up. So I've got 3 settings for that, which is on a pedal over here, which you probably can't see, slightly out of range, but it's basically standard amp foot switch. 1 is brake and 2 is speed. And most importantly, I did have a plectrum, but I don't now, so right. The amp's driving both speakers on the 4-ohm setting, so that's both 8-ohm cabs running in parallel. Right, firstly, the Leslie. That's on chorale, obviously with another speaker going as well. Brake, momentary switch, I have to hold it. Chorale, so it's like a slow chorus. Okay, so put that back to default. Turn the gain on this. Right, so these are the settings on the guitar. So this is the I'll do a sort of crunchy. It's a P90. This is both in series. Both in series. And now with the phase out. Series in phase. Sorry, out of phase. Now that really works on lots of distortion. Nice and squeaky. Clean, it's just my ears definitely sound better than the parallel, which is very thin. Still Scottish users. Anyway, so that's my basic setup.